Ko Waireti Amai rawa ko te whaia narangi aue o ku mātua ko Waireti Amai. I'd just like to take a couple of minutes of your time to explain why I think you should vote for me as a trustee on our iwi. I guess it started when I had the privilege of working on the working party for Trustee. So I worked alongside Marsha Wiley and Kenneth Wilson, and what I took from that was that there was an opportunity for me to be a part of this change agent, for us to make changes that are positive for our iwi. And I took this as an opportunity to put myself up as a trustee, because to make the changes you need to be a part of that change agent, and that's what I want to be. So why should you vote for me? Well, I've come from a background of health of 14 years, and I've worked over Australia and in New Zealand, and most recently hold a position here at the hospital. I think it's really important that for our iwi to become resilient to change, and as part of becoming resilient to change is communicating. So I want to open up the communication between our trust and our iwi, and I want to strengthen those communications and make sure that the iwi voice is heard and understood, but more specifically that it's responded to, and that any sort of recommendations reaches you. So whānau, that's it. Don't want to take up any more of your time. Thank you. Ka kite.